After your tools are photographed, upload all the photos from your camera to a folder on your computer. Now click the Add Tool tab. Start with the Full Photo Browse button. Pick your first tool and double-click on the photo. Do this for the faceplate too. If you have a receipt photo, upload that as well. Now double-click on the faceplate photo to zoom in on it. Scroll down and under Tool Type, click and choose an option on the drop-down menu, which is categorized alphabetically. Once the brand shows up, select it from the list. If you do not see it, you can add a new brand in the box above. If your photos are good, you can use the OCR feature to help read the serial number and the model. Highlight the selected field and select the OCR button. If the OCR return value is correct, click the wand next to the field to autofill. If the tool is new and the serial number is clean and easy to read, this works well. Once the brand, model, and serial number are entered, if you do not have a receipt and are not sure what the tool cost, click on the magnifying glass with a $sign in it. This will pull up an instant search that will allow you to price the tool more accurately. The receipt photo works just like the faceplate photo. Double-click on it and enter the tool purchase price, the total receipt value, purchase date, and the vendor if applicable. If your tool was entered from a kiosk at a participating retailer, all the receipt and tool information is automatically filled in for you at the time of purchase. As you add more receipts, you can use the My Receipts tab to quickly search or sort receipts. Finally, this description box is for your records and how you best identify the tool or equipment. Once you have entered a description, you can save and enter the next tool. If you do not have any more tools to add, uncheck the Add Another Tool box and hit Save. That's it. Your records of that tool are now permanently stored. If you ever need to edit or change the information, you can select it from the My Tools list and change any fields. Congratulations! You have made a smart decision to register your tools and get them protected.